Most people think sugar is killing them, but this fat is far more dangerous, and it's probably in your kitchen right now. This isn't body fat. This is a fat that damages your cells. Not all fats are the same. Some fats protect your body, while others break it down silently. Here's the problem. The more unstable a fat is, the more it reacts with heat, light, and oxygen. And when that happens, it creates toxic byproducts that attack your DNA, damage insulin receptors, and stiffen your cell membranes. This is why some oils are far more dangerous than sugar. Polyunsaturated fats, especially when refined or reheated, are highly unstable. They oxidize easily, and once they do, they become inflammatory. But the most dangerous fat of all is partially hydrogenated fat. This fat doesn't just inflame your body, it interferes with how your cells communicate, raises cardiovascular risk, and disrupts metabolism at a deep level. That's why many countries banned it. Now here's what most people get wrong. They were told to fear saturated fat, but saturated fats are actually very stable. Butter, tallow, coconut oil. These fats don't break down easily under heat. And the healthiest fats? Cold-pressed extra virgin oils like olive oil and avocado oil, used properly, not overheated. So here's the reality. The danger isn't fat itself. The danger is damaged fat. Remove unstable industrial oils. Stop reheating seed oils, and replace them with stable, real fats your body understands. Your cells will thank you, and your metabolism will too. This is Doc Speaks Reality. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss health tips like this.